Hello friends, the topic of today's lecture is Financial Feasibility Study. A financial feasibility study projects how much capital is needed, sources of capital, return on investment and other financial considerations. The study considers how much cash is needed, where it will come from and how it will be spent. A financial feasibility study analysis is conducted to determine if a new venture is feasible from a financial perspective. Financial feasibility study covers how much capital one needs to begin the business, how much capital one needs to operate the business, ROI or return on investment, which is when will investors see their money back with a return. A financial feasibility study should assess the viability of a project based on major pivotal component. Will the project or business have enough cash to complete the project and generate a profit? One of the bottom lines of any business is whether a company can sustain itself, pay its employees and of course make a profit. A financial study can help in this assessment, and components to include in financial study or financial feasibility study are company expenses, revenues, assets, liabilities and cash flows. Benefits of writing a financial feasibility study. It helps in preparing the companies for up-to-date information regarding statistical information on any project, which is the market for products, real estate development, demographics, income streams. It creates a knowledge of how much capital, if any, is needed for the project's launch and success. Again, this can be for any business, high tech, real estate, oil, energy, and it helps in identifying areas for growth. Helps with strategies. Since the financing needs are known, this can help with strategizing next moves or first mover advantage for new areas. It inspires confidence in the management team since obtaining the numbers can strengthen a business and its leadership belief in the company's success. Feasibility study provides intelligence statistics for the management team. Financial feasibility is the degree to which a strategy, program, project or change is financially possible and attractive. This can be estimated using several common methods like cost estimates, return on investment, payback period, net present value and impact. Cost estimates. A cost estimate is the approximation of the cost of a program, project or operation. The cost estimate is the product of the cost estimating process. In some cases, financial feasibility is based on cost estimate alone. Return on investment (ROI). Return on investment is a financial metric of profitability that is widely used to measure the return or gain from an investment. Return on investment is used to evaluate the efficiency of an investment. The basic formula for return on investment is equal to net ROI equals to net profit divided by total investment and multiplied by 100. Payback period. Payback period in capital budgeting refers to the time required to recoup the funds expended in an investment or to reach the break-even point. Net present value. Net present value is the difference between the present value of cash inflows and the present value of cash outflows over a period of time. Or net present worth applies to a series of cash flows occurring at different times. Impact. An impact evaluation is a broad assessment of the total observed results of a program, project, or strategy, including unintended consequences. Some investments have financial cost and non-financial returns, but they may have positive social impact.